cooked for years on this table which I bought years ago, and I didn't really think about how low it is. It's just like a normal table height. But now I'm cooking on that with the oven then raised on legs. It's such a different experience because that is at my eye level. I don't have to bend down. .426-ish, 30. I think that's gonna, I'm a bit worried it's gone super high at the back because it's wood oven, but I'm gonna go with that anyway. And yes, I'm cooking with the door off right now. If I think it's cooking too slow, I'll put the door on. Ooh, you can hear me. So I might stick the door on. Stealing my wood. Right. It's my door. The only thing about cooking with the door on is that it's difficult to know where to put the door because you've got to put it somewhere that it doesn't burn because it's super hot, and I've got a wooden floor, so I've got to find the area of my floor, like the patio that's concrete, to put it down somewhere. I could put it down on the pizza table, but I think it's like super hot. I'm worried it's going to bend it or something. So that's the problem with this door. I wish you could stick it somewhere. But it does cook better with the door on if your flames aren't super high. Let me just put it on very quickly. I'm not a fan of doors. I can't see what's going on. Okay, that's okay. Just one more bit at the back. Done. Okay, let's take a closer look. How crunchy wood-fired ovens are. Super crunchy. Okay, it's a warmer day today, so the dough was easy to stretch. It's not that much warmer, but it's a lot warmer than it was the other day. I'm going to give that piece a try. The barbecue sauce on the beef, super nice. Very nice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button if you did. Subscribe for more videos and to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.